Hello, world! No, I'm not just greeting our planet. That's your first line of Python code right there. Welcome to Python, not just a snake anymore. The Python course where the only bugs we'll encounter don't require pest control. I'm TechBuster, your guide through the fascinating world of Python programming, where we make learning code as fun as binge-watching your favorite comedy show. Why Python? Why Python, you wonder? It's simple yet powerful, like a magician who can pull rabbits out of hats and solve complex puzzles. Python is everywhere, from web development to artificial intelligence. It's the Swiss Army knife in your coding toolkit. A brief history time. Python, created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, was named after Monty Python's flying circus. It's grown from a small script language to the giant it is today, proving that it's not just the name of a snake anymore. Python's philosophy emphasizes simplicity and elegance. It's like the language went to a Zen garden and decided to stay. The Zen of Python preaches readability and efficiency, making it a favorite among coding newbies and pros alike. Where do we see Python? In web applications, data analysis, and even in space exploration. It's the secret sauce in your favorite apps and the wizardry behind the scenes of blockbuster movies. Now that we're dazzled by Python's charm, let's roll up our sleeves and set up our coding environment. Think of it as building your digital dojo, where all the coding magic happens. First step, choosing the right Python version. Python 3 is our go-to choice. It's like choosing a sleek, modern sports car over a classic but outdated sedan. Installing Python is a breeze. Head to the official Python website, grab the installer, and in a few clicks, you'll be set. It's easier than assembling furniture from one of those Swedish stores. Next, the IDE, your coding playground. Whether it's PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or Jupyter Notebooks, pick one that feels right. It's like choosing the perfect pair of shoes for a marathon. I chose Visual Studio Code for my videos. Now, with our IDE, Visual Studio Code all set up, it's time for the grand premiere of your coding journey. Let's start with something classic, yet iconic. We'll create a simple program, the famous Hello World. It's like the once upon a time of programming. Type print Hello World in a new Python file. This line of code is your first greeting to the world of programming. It's simple yet profound. A tradition that connects us to generations of programmers. Now let's bring this code to life. Run it in the terminal within VSC. And there it is, your very own Hello World echoed back at you. It's like your code is waving back, acknowledging your arrival into the world of Python programming. This moment is more than just a line of code. It's the beginning of a journey. Each character you typed is a step into a universe brimming with possibilities. Congratulations, you've just made your first mark in the coding cosmos.